What is Arduino? Arduino is an open source platform that has sparked the imagination of makers, inventors, and tinkerers worldwide. At its core, Arduino is a microcontroller based system that allows you to bring your electronic ideas to life. It is incredibly versatile with a variety of Arduino boards to choose from, each tailored for a specific application. It uses a simple yet powerful programming language that helps you control your projects with ease. But what makes Arduino truly special is its vibrant community. People from all backgrounds come together to share knowledge, solve problems, and inspire one another. And if you are looking for fantastic tutorials, project inspirations, and in-depth Arduino know-how, be sure to check out the TinkerTech YouTube channel. TinkerTech is your ultimate resource for all things on microcontrollers and electronics. Subscribe now and unlock a world of endless possibilities.